The evolution of digital payment has been dramatic over the last few years. With the peaking of the internet economy, fintech companies have been working to bring technology to the people, collaborating with financial institutions and governments to inspire change in the payment landscape. However, the emergence of blockchain technology has opened even more possibilities. Our organizations and innovators look to shift from the traditional centralized digital payment systems to new payment models powered by decentralized currencies. Basement is designed to continue with the trend of shifting the world to a cashless economy through blockchain technology that is fast, cheap, secure, and convenient. Basement blockchain, based on proof-of-stake consensus method. Basement is designed to be fast, secure, and cheaper than the major blockchain networks, such as Bitcoin. With its native cryptocurrency, Base, the network will enable merchants and consumers to interact directly without any intermediary. Blockchain technology has the potential to facilitate efficient, transparent, secure, and cost-effective transactions than the current centralized systems. Leveraging blockchain is aimed at reducing cost, eliminating processing layers, intermediaries, faster transaction time, and ensuring more secure transactions. Therefore, Basement is built to be all-inclusive and accessible to the masses, eliminating fraud and enabling multiple forms of financial collaborations between consumers and merchants. Our goal is revolutionizing digital currency payment ecosystem, empowering others to build financial stability, and creating an inclusive digital economy. Basement is a blockchain network that leverages blockchain technology to facilitate digital payments and aims to revolutionize digital transactions. Basement is a derivative of the words base and money, short form of base and money. The project was founded to make digital payment solutions seamless for everyone, thus solving the current challenges associated with digital currency solutions, which include lack of safety, unreliability, slow transaction speed, high use of energy, and expensive cost of transactions due to many intermediaries. Basement uses blockchain technology to redefine digital payment systems by enabling secure, faster, cheaper, and hassle-free transactions for peerless decentralized financial systems. We not only seek to build a mutually beneficial, long-lasting relationship with users and consumers through cost-effective, tech-enabled solutions, but the Basement blockchain is also designed to enable easy integration with other applications, all geared towards providing seamless payment solutions for mass adoption. Basement Coin. Base is a native cryptocurrency that powers Basement ecosystem. This is a peer-to-peer digital currency designed to facilitate payment for goods and services and used within Basement ecosystem. It uses proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, and it's built on Basement blockchain. Thanks to proof-of-stake protocols, Basement cryptocurrency is much energy efficient with faster transaction speed and more opportunities to earn more crypto, offering more opportunities to earn more money. Basement ecosystem. Basement Capital, cultivating next-level business strategies, is how Basement Capital leverages growth and builds financial stability. At our core, we're centered around the idea of cultivating next-level business growth strategies. Diversifying assets by investing in startups, acquiring companies, and blending various investments into the Basement Capital portfolio is how we keep our partners and stakeholders' assets secure. Basement Group and Partners. Being built on a foundation of excellence keeps our standards high and values first. The family of Basement Group and Partners comprises everyone from consumers of Basement products, merchants, crypto holders, projects, wallets, applications, platforms, and many others committed to upholding the Basement commitment to quality, professionalism, and total transparency. Basement City. Enter a world where technology and innovation combine to create an expression of human ingenuity. Basement City is a seamless fusion of city life, human kindness, and a place where entrepreneurship, tourism, universities, hospitals, and new age institutions can come together to foster peace, inclusivity, and innovation. The team will share to the community the elaborate plan structure for our futuristic city that will host global headquarters, university, hospital, and many more. Our focus now is to grow the community. Basement Foundation. The core of Basement reverberates as a foundation of like-minded leaders, charities, scholarships, and institutions working together to inspire leadership and collaboration. Together, we work to support each other on a journey to building, growing, and progressing the ideas of Basement and its subsidiaries. We are committed to supporting charities and providing scholarships and leadership empowerment as a solidarity contribution to make the world better for all. Our journey is to uncover a path that leads towards empowering and inspiring others to build and grow financial stability and entrepreneurship, and impact innovators to solve current society problems. We believe in a future where any transaction is settled on the blockchain network. Cryptocurrency Base is the new trending DeFi project with the aim to become the future of decentralized digital currency to power Basement ecosystem. Base Iman blockchain network provides effective solutions for global crypto projects, promoting sustainable development for the cryptocurrency market and blockchain network system, and it's supported by the ecosystem's projects. Our research team will actively work to give positive solutions for development strategies that help contribute a new and utility platform to the community. We are aiming to make the Basement platform for global adoption, with no limitations, helping to earn a handsome income through reflection in terms of holding along with maintaining their privacy, security, and autonomy. We strive to create an ecosystem based on sound monetary policies, with a sound and solid decentralized foundation that should be expected with the Basement network and ecosystem projects. Basement was conceptualized as a blockchain-anchored payment ecosystem aimed at solving the current problems associated with current conventional payment processing services, including the delay in payment processing, fraudulent transactions, and expensive transactions costs. Further research into the blockchain and payment ecosystems revealed that current financial systems stand to benefit from the DeFi, which can solve the underlying challenges. As a result, we have designed the blockchain to ensure users can own their data even as we work to ensure more financial inclusion is achieved. Based on the team's wealth of experience in the world of blockchain technology, fintech, retail, business innovations, and entrepreneurship, we are confident in making the mission a reality. Our mission is to create an inclusive digital economy through the development of sustainable and equitable wealth creation and development. Basement blockchain objective: to enable retailers to accept digital payment for goods and services, to make blockchain technology and cryptocurrency accessible by the masses, even if the majority don't know how it works. To ensure users own personal data, which will significantly reduce the current data leaks via centralized financial systems. Operate as a community-focused and community-driven digital asset, fully decentralized in every sense of the word, to create a payment ecosystem where different solutions can emerge from a social perspective, including collaborative applications.